All right, welcome back to the program. You're watching NTV at 1. We are coming to you live from Murang'a County, specifically here from Jangwani Camp. Well, we do know that Murang'a Governor Irungu Kang'ata is currently launching and looking at some of the new and refurbished facilities here in various parts of the county, including the ECDE centers. This is for the preschoolers, as well as healthcare facilities across those various parts, and also just a tour of the infrastructure here in the county. Martin Mora has been on that beat for quite a minute since morning and is now joining us live for more details. Martin?
Yeah, in Kahumbu Ward, where the governor is expected to actually open some few projects, including two ECD centers and a dispensary. The governor has gone around here ensuring that before the schools reopen, the kids go back to school and learn in a safe, clean environment. Also, the government has come up with programs like UJI program, where they ensure that kids who are going to ECDs get something to take during the day. This has also led to an increase in students among our ECD centers. The governor has not yet arrived, but his deputy is here. We'd like to talk to the deputy to give us more about all the county programs that they have concerning health and education. Deputy Governor, welcome to NTV.
Thank you.
Today, I see you have a very busy schedule.
Yes.
What is happening? How many dispensaries have you opened, renovated and opened so far? And how many students are benefiting from the UJI program?
Thank you. My name is Stephen Munanya, the Deputy Governor, Murang'a County. And today we are here at Kahumbu Ward in a fit to open or commission some of the works that we began doing in the last financial year. We have several programs running in the health department. In the health department, we want to ensure that we digitize all our facilities so that we increase the turnaround time in every facility, so that we can also ensure that service delivery is given in an efficient manner, whereby we can be able to track the health records of our patients. We can be able to track our drugs and pharmaceutical dispensation in each and every facility. And so today, part of the program that we are launching or we are commissioning today is the construction of new dispensaries and other renovations that we have done across other dispensaries. In the last financial year, we were able to do at least 8 new dispensaries that we did afresh, the ones that began and installed a long time ago. It's also within the same program within health that we are continuing to expand our level 4 hospitals. These are sub-county hospitals. Every sub-county hospital, there are works that are ongoing. If you come to Kegumo constituency, where we are right now, we are the Kegumo's level 4 hospital is under construction so that it will be upgraded to a proper level 4 hospital. And this is happening across. Today we are also commissioning an ECD class. This ECD class is part of what we are calling community projects that we are launching, distributing resources across all wards. And here in Kahumbu, we have done almost 5 ECD centers that we have constructed afresh, so that children that or the devolved functions that are ECD learning centers can be adequately facilitated in terms of equipment and in terms of facilities. And so this we are going to commission 1 ECD center today, and in the last financial year we were able to do 139. This financial year we expect to do 250, so that all 700 ECD centers across the county, we can be able to complete them in less than 4 years of our administration. Similarly, in education, the program that is also running for our children is the UJI program. Currently, we are feeding 42,000 ECD children each and every day once they are going to our schools. And this is a good program. It has ensured that even we are being recognized nationally as the county that is able to have an impact on the education of our children. And so therefore, even you can remember that we received the Devolution Kifaru Awards for service delivery. It is because of such programs such as the UJI program, the community projects, and the health and the health programs that we are having, such as the Kang'ata Care that currently is housing 20,000 households, and by October we want to make sure that that program reaches 30,000 households. These are part of the programs and why we are here today to try and tell Wanjiko that this is what we have done, and we expect to do this and this in this financial year. Yes.
Before I let you go, since you started this program, has you seen an increase in intake in number of children who are attending the ECDs?
Yes. When we began programs within our early childhood development, we only had 36,000 students. Right now we have 42,000, and we expect that this number, as we continue improving the facilities and we continue with the UJI program, children will keep coming to our ECD centers, because we want to agree with the national government policy of education that says that we should eliminate all barriers to early childhood development. And this is one way that we are going to do that. Yes.
We know you are working in tandem with other elected leaders. I can see the senator is here with you. Senator, your work is just to look for money and make sure that it comes to Murang'a County and it is used prudently. What do you have to say? Do you think the county is on the right track?
Thank you very much. John Nyuto is my name, and I'm here because the area MCA had a Thanksgiving ceremony where I have met the deputy governor, and it is true they have those programs and projects that they are going to launch. And like you have rightly put it, these are the resources that John Nyuto, as the senator for Murang'a, looks for the county government of Murang'a. And so when I see them constructing ECDE classrooms, dispensaries, then John Nyuto is happy because he can see that the funds that he has sourced for them are used prudently. The next thing that a senator, of course, does is to oversight the use of the same resources. And so what then we do later is to see whether the costing of this project was done and whether the projects are worth the money spent. But generally, they are doing well. We have seen things that we had not seen for 10 years. And as everybody gives credit to them for the projects that they are doing, they should also remember that there is somebody who looks for these monies, and that is yours truly. Yes, and that's why I'm here to see what they are doing, because I also have to oversight. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I know the assembly also plays a crucial part. Maybe what is the working relationship between the governor, the executive arm of the government, and the assembly? Do you think we're in the right track?
Wow. My name is Chiefman Isaac Njoroge. I'm the MCA area, Kahumbu Ward, which is in the Kigumo constituency, Murang'a County. I may say that the relationship between the governor and the county assembly is superb, because whenever we have a discussion regarding development, if you compare with the previous years and the previous regime, you'll find there's a big gap, there's a big difference in terms of identification of the projects and implementation of the projects. As I can say, an issue of like today in this ward of mine, we'll be launching the dispensary. That dispensary has been dead for the last 25 years. People have been suffering to go to get the medication. As you know, also health is a devolved function, and we did it. And the governor, after I went and talked with him, and I had to not beg but to have understanding, and a person who loves development, he told me, Georgia has a big problem. Identify the project and we do it. So when I identified the project, because of that rapport and that relationship, we had to do that. The issue of the ECD the same. There's an ECD which we are going to open today, whereby when it rained, when the river overflows, they were not able to go to the ECD. Now what we have done, we are trying to identify the real problem and giving the solution. And I thank my Governor Kangata because of listening us and following us.
Thank you so much, and all the best. Okay. Thank you so much, Deputy Governor. Okay. Now, as Zainab, as you have just heard, yes, the array of events that the governor is supposed to undertake here, they will be launching and commissioning of projects that touch on education, touch on health. And from Kahumbu Ward in Kigumo constituency, I take you back, Zainab.